the last attack on this list was Kaseya. And this one I clearly remember. This
Yes.
was the company that was used by a lot of MSPs in order to manage their customers' environments. And there was an issue in their code that allowed people to get in and get into all of the customers' accounts as well. And they started encrypting everything. So instead of just attacking one company, they basically went after infrastructure software used by numerous MSPs, which affected hundreds and thousands of businesses. And for this one, they wanted 70 million in Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that this one they didn't actually pay out the ransomware, and they were able to find the encryption keys. I think the FBI was involved, and they found the servers. They were able to get the encryption keys and be able to unencrypt people's data before the ransomware was paid. But this was a
Yeah.
huge story.
Yeah, this was a really big one because it reminded me of the other supply chain attack from the previous year, the
SolarWinds? Yep.
SolarWinds attack, where it was via the supply chain. They used Kaseya's virtual system administrator to actually, they pushed a fake software update. That's just evil.
I think SolarWinds was actually 2021, Curtis.
Was it?
Yeah.
I don't know how. Well, maybe it wasn't
Ransomware, it was a
yeah,
supply chain attack.
it was just a supply chain, just a supply chain.
Just only a small little supply chain attack.
I do like that in the case of Kaseya that the FBI was able to do what they do, and they apparently were good enough that they hacked the hackers and got the keys.
This one, if I recall, was they had found the issue, right? A security researcher had found the issue, had filed it with them. They were planning to fix it. And then the hackers basically did a 0-day right before the patch went out the door.
I do remember that.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, those bastards.